you. What do we have here?
I think you'll be impressed. James, this is an SS VF Commodore with front and rear parking sensors, 18-inch alloy wheels complemented with full sports suspension throughout. Blind spot alert for those close encounters. Remote start. Sportec and kinetic swayed sports seating. 6-speed automatic gearbox with active fuel management and active select for those quick getaways. And for the Bond women, dual zone air conditioning, a sleek and redefined rear lip spoiler, remote boot release. It's a 5-star main cap safety rating. You've also got an electronic park brake, auto park assist, reverse park, and you can also parallel park in between 2 cars. 6-litre V8 engine, aluminium bonnet, coinciding with an aluminium boot, has allowed us to drop almost 50 kilos out of the vehicle. The mileage system features embedded apps, customised Pandora and Stitcher Smart Radio, enhanced voice control, smarter, safer, hands-free, Bluetooth connectivity, Bluetooth streaming connectivity. The car that has always turned heads now changes minds. Welcome to the future. Think Holden.